up on the perch.
What are you doing?
Come up away. What a poo-poo.
Did you go poo-poo?
Hey, where's my girl?
You are my girl.
What
Did
you
you go
doing?
poo-poo?
I'll get you a Saber next to my mommy.
Saber didn't do it.
I didn't ever check it out.
No, you poo-pooed on the floor. Cosmo made the mess.
Say, what's her name? Wow. Saber. Saber. Hello. Saber. Quiet. Shh. Quiet. What, Saber? Quiet. Shh. Whoa. Saber. Hello. Saber. Shh. Quiet. Oh my God. Quiet. Shh. Shh. Whoa. Saber. Come on. Quiet. Shh. Shh. Whoa. Hello. What, chicken snap? Quiet. Shh. Mom, how? Mom, how? You like that song? Surprise. What you doing? I don't have to go back. Surprise. Scratch some carrot. You want a drink? Oh, smart. Where tomorrow? Looks like I gotta go shopping. You tell what it was. That's most smart.
Hello?
What you doing?
What are you doing?
Shut up. Oh, better. Hey, come on. Drop that boy. I love you so. But your nails are sharp. You coming? Surprise. What you doing? Got some fresh water. Hey Google, turn on that. There's a little lime into garlic. Spot.
It's at the highest volume.
It's a broccoli in your food. Surprise, it's some carrot. Cosmo. What you doing? I'll go get you. I don't know. Do you want to go live? She ready for carrot? Come on, bro. Catch your belly. You coming? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Yeah. Surprising. gotta go see Mario. Do I ever go live? What? You got some carrot cousin? Oh. Hey Google, shut up! You used to say, meow. Oh, it starts. Oh, look at the fire in the stove. There Cosmo, the superstar. Gotta go get you, Mom. Gotta go get you. You want a nice? Coming? Coming? Hooray, mister. Like a boo-boo. Gotta go get you. What? Yeah. Hi, sweet. Got something to drink? Oh, oh, oh. Girl. You coming? That's it. Hey, Google. What? Oh, started it. Oh, dark top. Shut up. What? Oh. Shut up. Oh, there. Hey. Come on. Drink some coffee. You ain't gonna fix it. You're cold. Now burn your pinky. Shut up. Cousin. Oh. Oh. Gotcha. You want poo on your feet? I'll go get you. Darn egg. You smell very food. You smart ass. Cosmo smart ass. I love you so. Cosmo dark at your bum. You're stuck in your feathers. Go get you. She got some carrot. Look at that. Open your feathers. Come. My sweet. Here, come. Go get her. Get you. Get your water ice. Good girl. You're so smart.